This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a popsicle stick flower vase. First, gather your materials. You'll need around 100 to 150 standard craft sticks, a small glass jar that will fit inside your vase, and a reliable craft glue that dries clear. Make sure your workspace is covered to prevent any mess. Having some decorative items like paint or ribbon ready will allow you to personalize your vase later on. Now, let's start building the base of your vase. Take 2 craft sticks and glue them parallel to each other, leaving a gap of about 5 inches between them. This will be the foundation. Next, glue 2 more sticks perpendicularly on top of the first 2, forming a square frame. Continue this layering process, alternating the direction of the sticks with each new layer. This method ensures a sturdy and visually appealing structure for your vase. As you continue to layer the craft sticks, watch your vase take shape. Keep building upwards, alternating the stick direction with each layer until the vase reaches your preferred height. Remember to periodically check that your small glass jar still fits comfortably inside the structure. This ensures your vase will be functional for holding flowers. Once you're satisfied with the height, let the entire structure dry completely for at least 24 hours to ensure maximum stability. With your vase fully dry, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can paint it any color, add glitter, or even wrap it with ribbon to match your home decor. Once decorated, carefully insert your glass jar into the center of the popsicle stick structure. Fill the jar with water and arrange your favorite fresh flowers inside. It's a beautiful, handmade piece. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking for ways to simplify your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.